If you've made it on TikTok, you've got 20, 30, 40, 50,000 followers, or even millions of followers, you are getting tons of messages which are flooding your inbox, which you are ignoring, which is costing you money. That's why this Chrome extension, which I'm about to demonstrate to you, it's called ReplyFlow. All it does is it gives you an AI quick responder, which you have full control over. Let me just demonstrate it right now. So here I am inside TikTok, and my DM is flooded with messages. So I'm going to focus on this one right now. As you can see, next to each message, you have a new button, which you otherwise wouldn't have unless you add this extension. Now, when you click this extension, you can actually choose which message you want to click on. So if someone's asked me, how much does your course cost? I can simply click on the button here, and all of a sudden it will generate two options for me. So here's the quick, brief explanation, question, and the detailed and complete response. So now I can literally send a response right now. Now, this information here is based off a prompt that I entered inside the extension. If I click the extension right now, you'll be able to see that I have multiple profiles. And basically, the idea here is that you can prompt this specific profile to have all the information about your business. So you don't have to kind of save your information into templates and all this weird stuff. Like copy pasting is in the age before AI. Now that AI is gone, we're not copy pasting anymore. We're using AI to answer questions for us. Now, you can literally choose a message that you want to respond and click send now, and it will even have a long message. You can literally have a long message which will literally split into two messages. If you just click send now, you'll see the action happening right now. Let's watch that right now. As you can see, it's responding right now. It answers in two different parts because we asked it to split the message. So it's answered both questions into two messages, which is absolutely fantastic. And it's answered according to the prompt I gave it. Now, if I want to show you this customization feature over here, which basically lets you choose your response. So if I want to say the price of the course has gone up, let's say is 15,000 because it's not 10,000. So even though that my original prompt had 10,000, if I click regenerate with guidance, what's going to happen? It's hopefully going to realize that the latest prompt is the correct one. All right, there we go. So now it's given me two responses based on my text over here. So you can kind of guide the AI into responding how you want it to. So for example, if I wanted to say the course is sold out right now, so you can kind of guide your AI as well if you need to. Otherwise, you can just use here we go. So here we go. So then it will respond according to the guidance over here. So you can guide your AI to respond to the message that you received. Now, if you notice, you can actually pick the message that you want to respond to. So if you've got like a bunch of questions, you can kind of select the one you want to prioritize first and then have the AI focus on that. But the AI will know all of your message history so that it will make sure that you actually get a response that's in context, which everything else that the customer has told you. This is going to save you tons of time. You can come and start answering all of your messages one at a time, just like that. This is going to solve a problem for many people who are bombarded in their inbox. And even if you have multiple TikTok accounts, you can use this just by switching accounts. It will remember the last account that you have used so that you won't have to keep switching. Whenever you switch, it remembers the one you last used, and that way it will generate messages based on that last account every time. This was the Time Savers community with actually made by Solations. Let me just show you who we are. We are Solations. We create Chrome extensions which save time for successful businesses. That basically means that you can use all of these different Chrome extensions which will speed up your workflow if you're in the marketing, business, sales, or if you're just selling things online. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.